Students, in this video, we are going to see the problems based on standard enthalpies. Standard enthalpies like standard enthalpies of reaction, combustion and formation. So, here are some of the problems what we'll be solving. Now, the first problem is calculate the standard enthalpy of reaction which is given and some data is given in the problem. Now, students, when this type of questions they are asked, the first method is you have to write the required equation for which they are asking you to calculate the standard enthalpy. So let us write the equation first. So the required equation, I'll write the required equation. It is 2C2H6. Most of the time the given equation is balanced, but it is always safer to check whether the equation is actually balanced. So it helps you because number of moles will only decide the answer what you will get. Now here this is the required equation. I have checked it is balanced. Now let us go for the calculation. So what is the formula here is standard enthalpy of formation is equal to the summation of the standard enthalpies of formation of the products minus summation of the standard enthalpies of reactants. So let us write in this format only. So that is equal to, if you see this is 4 times and this is 6 times. So let us write 4 times the standard enthalpy of formation of carbon dioxide plus 6 times the standard enthalpy of formation of water. Now this is the product side. Minus, let us come on to the reactant side now. So it will be 2 times the standard enthalpy of formation of C2H6 plus 7 times the standard enthalpy of oxygen gas. Reactant side also I have written. Now students, if you see the given data, they have given for carbon dioxide, water and ethane here. Now, if I see this particular data, I need CO2, H2O, C2H6, but oxygen they have not given. So, always remember that the standard enthalpy of any species which is in its elemental state is always considered as 0. Or you get a hint that if it is not given here, means its standard enthalpy must be 0. So let us start substituting the values now. For carbon dioxide, they have given this value. So let us substitute 4 into minus 393.5 plus 6 into, for water they have given minus 285.8 minus 2 times the enthalpy what they have given is minus 84.9 and this will be 7 into 0 because it is in the elemental form. Now let us start calculating. This is simple multiplication calculation, student. So this will give me the value. So this will give me 7 into 10 will give me minus 1574 plus this will give me a value that is 1714.8. First is over. Let us move on to this one and this will give me minus 169.8 plus 0. So this is what I got the value. Let us add this. This will be with the minus sign. So let us add this. This will give me the value that is minus 3288.8. I will open this bracket. It will be plus 169.8. So if I see the standard enthalpy of formation for this, so the answer here is minus 300,119.0 kJ per mole. So this is how you do the calculation. Let us see the next problem. So students, for the next problem, estimate the standard enthalpy of combustion of methane. Now, if you see this particular problem, they have not given the required equation. So, you have to create the required equation. So, what will be the required equation? So, the required equation is combustion of methane. If I take methane and if I burn this in oxygen, that is the combustion reaction. Always remember the combustion products of any hydrocarbon, they are carbon dioxide and water. Let us mention the physical states. So physical states are like this. Now for this reaction, they are asking you to do the calculation. But before that, you have to balance the equation. So let us balance the equation first. So as they are asking you for the conversion of methane, the methane mole must remain 1 and then you will balance the equation. So after balancing this, I will get 2 and 2 here. Now the equation is balanced. Now they are asking you to calculate the standard enthalpy of combustion for this reaction. So let us write the formula. So formula will be this same formula, student, you will be using. So the enthalpy of formation is equal to the summation of standard enthalpies of the products minus the standard enthalpies summation of reactants. Let us form the formula now. So here they are asking you for combustion. So I'll mention this as combustion. So let us substitute. So enthalpy standard for combustion is equal to what it will be, students? Standard enthalpy of formation of carbon dioxide plus 2 times the standard enthalpy of formation of water, product side over, minus 1 time the standard enthalpy of formation of methane plus 2 times the standard enthalpy of formation of oxygen gas. Reactant side is also over. Now let us start substituting the values. So here these values will be, for carbon dioxide, how much they have given is minus 393.5. But it is, if you see this carbon dioxide, yes, it is 280. Sorry, the balanced equation here is so it is, how much is given for carbon dioxide, student? Carbon dioxide is minus 393.5. So let us substitute. So it will be minus 393.5 plus 2 times what is given for water. Water they have given minus 285. So let us substitute minus 285.8. So product side is over. Minus, let us substitute for methane now. For methane, they have given, how much is given for methane is minus 74.8. So I will substitute minus 74.8 plus 2 into 0, because again here oxygen is in the elemental state. Now let us calculate this. So this standard is equal to, so how much will be this? 393.5 plus this will be how much? After multiplying by 2, it will give me 571.6. So minus, this will be 74.8 plus 0. Let us open up the brackets and do the calculation. This will come to, this will become minus 965.1. This negative and negative, this will become plus 74.8. So enthalpy of combustion for the reaction, how much will be this, student, is minus 890.3. So what is the enthalpy for combustion for this reaction is, the answer here is minus 890.3 kJ per mole. So this is how you will solve the problem. Let us move on to the next problem. You can do this problem simultaneously with me now for practice. Now here they are asking you to calculate the standard enthalpy of combustion of acetylene. Now student, most of the time we make mistakes in acetylene, ethylene, ethene, ethyne. So for that it is always better to take help of the given data. Now if you see the problem, they have given here something. This is what is acetylene. So the terms which they will ask in the question, they will be given in the given data. So what is acetylene is C2H2. Most of the time students make mistake with this. So this is a clue that please go through the given data for proper reaction. So let us write now the required equation. So the required equation, what they are asking you, the combustion of acetylene. We got the formula for acetylene. So let us combust that. So it will be C2H2 A combustion means I will add that to oxygen, and as I told you, hydrocarbons on combustion, they always give you carbon dioxide and water, the major products, always. So let us balance the equation. As I told you, this is combustion of acetylene. Acetylene must be 1 mole, and then you will balance the equation. So it will be 2 here, and this will become 4, 5, so it will be 5 by 2. So here I have balanced the equation, and after that let us write the formula. They are asking you to calculate the enthalpy of combustion. So here I will just mention that you are supposed to calculate the enthalpy of combustion. Now what is the formula, student? The enthalpy of combustion for the reaction is equal to summation of the standard enthalpies of formation of all the products minus the summation of standard enthalpies of all the reactants. And let us start substituting this. So it will be combustion is equal to 2 times the standard enthalpy of formation of carbon dioxide plus the standard enthalpy of formation of water. So the product side is over. Let us move on to the reactant side. So it will be standard enthalpy of formation of C2H2 plus 5 by 2 times the standard enthalpy of formation of oxygen. So the product's reactant side is also over. Now let us start substituting the values. So delta C combustion is equal to 2 times that of carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide they have given as minus 393.5. So right here 2 into minus 393.5 plus water they have given minus 285. So it will be minus 285.8. Product side over. For acetylene they have given 227.3, and this again in the elemental state, so this will be 0. Now this will be, after multiplying this by 2, you will get minus 787 plus 285.8, this term is over, minus 227.3. So this is also over. Now continue solving this. If I add those two terms, I will get, so delta C standard combustion is minus 1072.8, and this will become minus 227.3. So after solving this for the problem, the standard enthalpy of combustion comes out to be 1300.1 kJ per mole. So this is how you solve the problems based on combustion. It is always advised to write the required equation first, then check whether it is balanced. After that, write the formula, put the particular species in the formula, and then solve it accordingly. It's very, very important. You have to be careful about the negative and the positive signs of the enthalpies. So I hope you have understood how to solve this. So please do like this video, share it with your friends, and if you have not yet subscribed my channel, please do subscribe my channel to get more such easy videos. Thank you, students.